games. Ready kami, wala yung next ten nga lang. And more next, I get last advices. Take it around. Okay? Kaya nga. Subara Anasis Rumul. Angela Wasisam. Barbara Solang. Kurihara Kumiko. De Leon. Sherieben De Leon. Wayne Abelbay. Rumulbay. Email Maz. Miriam Ewatala. Fermina Saiske. Once again, if you hear your name, go ahead and make your way to the stage ASAP. Or the main stage, may lagi ako mamiyong, and mandi kita matang give us community. Just one, number 21, which is a 13 Pro Me shot. This is really good. Chocolate. It's delicious. Tracy Quintaro. Okay, Tracy Quintaro's not here. Janice Merep. Janice Merep. Okay, for this we get to go through all the names so we get a winner for that one egg. Janice Merep. Not here, not right. All right. Erigo Ito. Erigo Ito. Okay, not here. naman. Kung alam na yung mamamasang tamlawin. Last egg, so you get to find out what your prize is. Kalibre al mil. Musta naman sa mga tinagin. Pero naman sa skillet camera. Open rin yung sa mga number. And you won number 30. And you get a 6 feet 36 spring coil trampoline. Nakapag-asok yan. Kaya arguments, how about that? Chooses to go, yes, he wants to get. All right, here we go, both hands in the air. Okay, now I want you to tilt to your right. There we go. Tilt to your right. Okay, here we go, here we go. And then let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then now tilt to your left. There we go. And then count together. Hands up in the air, everybody. Tilt to your left side. That means you do it. There we go. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I want you to take that arm, swing it around, stretch it. Okay, watch out. Don't hit people in the face. And then swing your other arm. There we go. Alright? Now I want you to spread those arms out wide. Alright? Like a butterfly. Spread them out. Now I want you to sing with me. Ready? Amayo, amayo. There we go. Sisi awo moragaba. Era belula olumu. Hele yaga iwasem. Okay, this is about a butterfly with flimsy wing. Here we go, ready? 1, 2, 3, sing with me. Amayo, amayo. I'm Sisi Awa, Lord of the one more time. Wow, beautiful. Just like the beautiful butterfly, Surangel Sons has held its wings 45 years. Alright, right here. This thing right here. What's your favorite item to buy? The department store. The canned food, the tuna.
Tuna. Yellow tuna.
Wow, okay. And do the kids love that?
Oh yeah, they love it.
Alright, that's awesome. Get our prize, okay. And how about you guys over here? When you're on your day off, what is your favorite chat time drink?
Drinks?
Or any drink at Surangel Sons.
Crush.
Crush what fruit? Pineapple, strawberry. Strawberry, okay. Strawberry, give him a prize. Emily dapat talbik yan. Well, Marabato after sa shopper at Surangel Super Center, I feel like you can always find whatever I need at the store. And for me, I like going to Chat Time all the time to enjoy their mango smoothie. Always get all the time. So it's just my routine whenever I come here.
All right, awesome. Give the box a prize. Okay, and then we got a claro. Nga maswa na ko lang ni sa claro musika ni. Gora bali sen musika ni claro sa meeting lagi. Jaga ko na sponsor mo ni. O ay kaldi ko claro. So mawasing mal to claro ni. Wasi. Right, thank you. Give Ango a prize. All right. And, oh wow. Bula Vinaka. Bula Bula. Okay. So I don't speak Fijian, but I just know some lyrics like Alfarara, Radura Koyao, Radura Koyao, Wala Koyao. So for you guys, I know you guys are coming from Fiji. So what do you see in the super center that you really like? Is it the clothes? Is it the food? Or is it the people?
Thank you, Randy. This store is very, and you have things that are from overseas, and the taste is not food, and the food is really nice, and so yeah.
Right, so she said customer service, top end, and then top notch. Wow. Okay, and lastly, this table of ladies. We'll give got PDM. Let's go with this guys over here. Okay, so aku lihat tadi aku tadi kali masal hitesin tohra masa. Yang lama Surangel san sakmal di onai yang tiri. Okay, we got ladies here. We got one gentleman over here, master, postmaster, general, postmaster. Yang lama Surangel san sakmal. Ketbok, di bigay get sent from a post office sa lalu mental store. Yang lama mana orang mental store. Wow. In one simple answer, because the people here are amazing, are good. Ladies and gentlemen, give another round of applause to 45 years of serving the Republic of Palau, where the customer is king. How are you guys today? And how many times have you shopped at Surangel since the time you've been to Palau?
How long have we been shopping? 30 years.
30 years. That.
Avoid. Sometimes we just need a little silence to start back up again. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, let's give a big round of applause to Surangel Sons, celebrating 45 years of serving the Republic of Palau, where the customer is king. All right, we got a new basket of eggs, and we got new names coming in. So I'm going to go ahead and read the new names. Okay? Sumaktulat klem ya kung ito kala sa mga adhaw na stage. Ilagay ako man mamiyo. Okay? Ay lang ako. Floria Robert Scaria, Palau, and Mary Rule, Sano Samurai, Jun Ushibata. All right, if you hear your names, please make your way to the stage. You guys just won a prize. These are the first names for this round. So that means they get 5 minutes on the clock. All right, you get to read their names again. Floria Emiliano. Andrea Anastasio. Shaiful Muhammad Mia. Robert Scaria. and Mary Rule. Sano Sakurai. Chun Ushibata. I think we have a very reply. Che Olgril. Sherwin Matam. We are now waiting for the next names. Cashiers, please make sure Jun Ushibata's items are taken care of, as she has won. Che Olgril also winning right now. Please go ahead and stand next to your eggs and pick an egg. All right, so we're gonna find out what prize have you won. find out what his number is. What's your number? All right, 40. You just won an e-bike. Justin Hayes, 7.5. Wow. It's a digital bike. I'm just kidding. It's a real bike. All right, it's electric. It's electric bike. All right, big round of applause, everybody, for our winner. And then next prize. How about the number now? You won number 39. You won a 200 Lifan OHV generator. Wow, you're never going to depend on the government again. Well, except for gas, sorry. So, yeah, you get to carry that generator home. All right, and we got 42 seconds on our clock left for the rest of our winners. You still have time. Emiliano Floria, Moradaw. Anastasio Andrea, Moradaw. Mohammed Shaiful Mia, hurry up. Skaya, Robert Skaya from the Taj. And Mary Mool. Saurai Sano and Sherwin Matan. All right, we're going to the next batch of names. Next batch of names. Last. So unfortunately, sorry. Those people that I said their names just now, I'm going to have next names. Joyce Ramarui. Ivan Ueda. Layan Virginia Layan. Ivan Rulugov. Lynette France, Clarence Paloy, Dray Orang, All right, next set of names.
Sometimes I go out by myself, down across the water, and I think of all the things.
Maylene Benjamin.
Since I come home, my body's been
Moses Yoga.
something to bear on the way like this. Well, don't you come on over, stop making
Carter.
why don't you come on over there,
Marla Paul Andrew. Zina N. Dingan. Juanita E. Cloluba. leg quarter. Why did they circle leg quarter? Hold on. Johanna Salao.
Did you ever play that fine one that dies and all the time? Are you busy?
Yeah, Bagal Joshua.
And I miss your ginger hair and the way I like to dress. Don't you come on over.
M. Joy Jackie El Palau.
Don't you come on over, baby.
Bessie Olive ER. All right. Give you guys a few seconds for that one as we get ready to move on to the next batch of names.
Stop making a fool out of me. Why don't you come on over,
All right, enjoy. We get to the end of that batch before I call the new names. Had I called the new names, you would have been disqualified. All right, so here we go. Calling in the new names. Since she made it in, I'm gonna call in the new names. Dani Malter. Boy and Unabela Yu. Dale Pascual. Miraflor Moses. Mansueto Tabinera. J.P. Miliano. Marcelus Iranas. Marchi Nirmidon. Fidencia Alilado. All right, if I said your name, hurry up. Hurry up to the stage before the grandkids bring in the new batch of names. All right, and they gotta bring the batch of names right now, actually. So they're getting them ASAP. And they're gonna be here in like 1 second. So if I said your name and you are here before they are, then you win. Umurado. Wow! Big round of applause, everybody. Alright, thank you, Levi. Thank you, Arthur, for picking our next batch of names. Alright, get ready, guys. Here are the next names. We still got a lot of prizes. We're slowly getting close, however, to our big prizes, a patio set, a gift card of $1,000, patio dining set, a coconut oil press machine, and a Samsung Z Fold 1 terabyte brand new cell phone. All right, here we go. Okay, lagi lagi lebih senang lah. Gwendolyn Ewat lah. Ribut terlalu. Chaira Belongs Daniel. Baal Salvador. Baal Brown Salvador. Diana Smau. Grace Yi A. Grace Yi A. English. Marites Mempin. All right, if you hear your name, better hurry up to the stage, because. All right, congratulations. Eileen Gumangay. Eileen Gumangay and Irish Cuarte Cosino. And Anne Lund. Anne Lund. Obarayur the maid. All right, we got our numbers. You got 35. To the next batch of names until we finish all our eggs in our basket. Okay, so like I said, and this is a general rule for raffle drawings as well. If I haven't called out the new names, we can still award the past name, okay? So what I came in at the very last second, right before I had to call the new names. So he was able to win that last prize as we go in to the new names, because we gotta get rid of the last 3 eggs in our basket before we move to the big prizes. The patio set, the gift card of $1,000, the patio dining set, the machine for coconut oil pressing, and the Samsung Z Fold. Alright, so you're gonna get best and not good for the washer, flower pot, kayak, TV, generator, and Mr. Operator just pulled the number 31, which he just won one of the washer twin tub 15 kg whirlpool. Wow. Now, washing machine. Kamu tahu washing machine? Saya nilai itu. Persentan, check menu. Out. Ouch. Here are the new names. Ansis Karanglian, Irene Frank Pedro Muterbis, Edward Marencia Edward, Alison Philip, Maria Minor, Jasper Sikat, Jasper John P. Sikat, Mary John Tayag, Clement Lee Paulinus, Julian Marietta Julian, and MD Abdul Sajid. All right, go ahead, Irene, click an egg. We're gonna find out what. That's a huge TV. You better listen. All right, great job. 65-inch TV. Right here, that's the 65-inch TV, right? Oh, that's 35? It's smaller than that. All right, and you want number 33. You get a washer top load out of 10 kg tatung. I don't know what's tatung, but you know, it's tatung. Very tatung. It's gonna get your clothes very tatung. Alright? So you just want a washer. Congratulations! Everybody, give round of applause! Oh yeah. And we are now down to our last egg in our second to the last batch of prizes. prizes. Again, we are giving away 45 prizes today, celebrating 45 years of serving Palau. And we want to thank Mrs. Whips for being with us throughout the whole program. Thank you, Mrs. Whips. Here are the new names, but Eric, we gotta give away that last egg. So that means that the first name on the top of the list, that is the winner. If not, we're gonna move on. They gotta be here, they gotta be present to win. So let's go. Here is the name. Diego Florencio. Are you here? Wala. Smith R. Pedro. Evita Adelbay. All right, again, this is for that last egg. So if I say your name, you have to be either here or you're not a winner. That's it, there's no waiting. Clarence Lumulbay. Are you here? All right. All right, let's see. What prize did he win? That's the number item. 27. Kawawina 65-inch TV. Vision Glass 4K HDR Smart TV. Sakot, congratulations. All right, here we go. This next one is a game of treasure hunt. I'm gonna say an item, and you gotta get that item wherever it is and bring it to the stage. First, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, first 6 people to bring it to the stage will win a prize. All right, are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, just a reminder, kids, adults, if it is in the store, you have to buy it through the cashiers before you bring it here. Okay? A treasure, but I haven't told you what the treasure is. All right, you ready? Wait for it. Here is the item. First person, sorry, not first person. First 5 people to bring to the stage a bottle of water. Congratulations, please claim your prize. We have a lot of great items, by the way, for our trivias. We had like things that were new to Surangel and Sons, including some new vegetables, some new cleaning supply, some new stickers as well that they made for states, for each state. Lots of great stuff that you can check out. So stop by. Aw, you came too late. You better drink that water. All right. And while we're doing that, we're getting ready for our last batch of items. That right there you're looking at is the patio set. Yes, outdoor patio chat set. Yes, for people who are vlogging and want to talk to their chat. Hey chat, this is my chair. All right, that's for that. Okay, should we do one more round of treasure hunt? Okay, how many prizes do we have left? We got 5 prizes left. 10? Okay. Okay. Okay, here we go. This is going to be really hard. All right? So kids, you might want to ask assistance from your parents for this one. First, 5 people to bring to the stage a receipt of $10 or more. Let me ask some strangers if you can't find them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 5 right here. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Ah, so close, buddy. Nice try. Yeah, we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it a little bit. Alright. Great job. Give a big round of applause to our winners, guys. Okay, are you ready? Okay, you guys know the rules, okay? If you're getting from inside the store, you gotta buy it. But this one will be easy. First person to bring a receipt from 3 places: Chatime, Ron House, and Gelato. Sorry, 1 receipt from any of those 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is done for. Congratulations.